Welcome to our YouTube channel, Habibi Bros. Keep watching to the end of the video. Go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool. Make a circle. For copying object, hold Alt and drag. Select everything. Go to the object. Blend, make. It's done. For changing setting, go to the object. Blend. Blend option. Now select the brush tool. You can also select pen tool for drawing lines. Now select everything. Go to the object. Blend, replace spin. Goodness, so go to the direct selection tool. Select the circle and resize it a little bit. For changing color, go to the swatches window and double tap on color swatch. Check the preview button. By moving handles, the color will affect on design. So this is the final result. For zigzag effect, select everything. Go to the effect, distort and transform, zigzag. Change the size to 14, and reach per segment to 15. Or maybe 9. It's done perfectly. I hope you are enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. If you have any question, tell me in the comments below. See you in another video.